The person who answers correctly, one of the narrations, this hadith is sahih. He's laying down, he's passed away, yeah? They've shrouded him, they buried him, they've thrown mud on his face. And the angels will wake him up now. The angels will wake him up. What's the first thing that he will do when he wakes up? Does anybody know? Anybody had this hadith before? This is in the Sunnah. He'll sit up, he'll rub his eyes. The angels will say, we've got a test for you, we've got a question for you. The believer, he will say, ask your questions later. I need to pray. I need to pray. Why would he be in that situation? The ulama have explained, this is because in the life of this dunya, every time when he wakes up, what's he accustomed to? Salatul Fajr. Now this is the point that I'm trying to relate with the hadith, with what we're inshallah going to study, but also the practicality of it, is that if you don't know what's going to happen, if you don't live by it now, then it is impossible for a person to be successful then. Thalathatul Usul. The aim of this text here, the Shaykh, may Allah have mercy on him and mercy on the scholars and preserve those who remain, because you can see quite clearly these people are sincere to you. He could have said there are 3 principles. Principle number 1, seek the life of this dunya. Principle number 2, seek your desires. Principle number 3, talk about politics. That's what most people do. What he is saying here, no, I'm going to give you 3 principles which will make you successful in dunya and akhirah, which will protect you from that situation. And if you are successful, a caller will call out and says, Sadaqa abdi, my servant has spoken the truth. Make for him his Jannah, a garden from the gardens of Jannah, clothing from the clothings of Jannah, may Allah make us of them. Window will open up and it will be a window into the hellfire. Remember, that's what we were saying before. Why do you have a window from the hellfire? The angels will say, you have answered correctly. Had you answered incorrectly, that would have been your situation. That would have been your place. But you've answered correctly. Eat and drink and relax. Not eat and drink, relax. So this person will say, if this is my reward now, if this is what I can see from the barzakh, ask Allah to hasten the day of judgment. Because he knows what's in store for him afterwards. If this is just a transitional transit period, give me Jannah. I've just got a bit of Jannah, the clothings and a bit of the scents and a bit of the gardens. I want it all. This is what the person who answered correctly, who lived by these Thalathatul Usul will say. They will say, Nim, no, now is not the time. Go to sleep, Kanawmatul Aris. Like a person who sleeps on the day or the night before he is about to get married. He's excited for the next day. They will say, relax, right now is your time to relax. Go to sleep with satisfaction as if you're going to get married tomorrow. As if tomorrow is the day of Eid. As if tomorrow is a day of excitement and drinking and pleasure. Wait for that. Right now, for you, is this period here.